Here comes the train. Another one.
Yeah, that came fast.
Yeah, that came early. It's an early train.
Is that a rare?
No, it's not rare. With me and my friend Alex. Look at here's the other train.
Hey, what did you say, Joey? What did you say, Joey?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
Oh,
Excellent.
look at the switch.
We could do it.
Come on, we're gonna do this, Joey. Let's do this.
Oh, he didn't do it. He didn't do it. No, he didn't do it. No, it's not stopping.
Dang it. Oh well.
Let's get the engineers in the cab.
No.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this one. This one might be. Oh, that's
No engineer.
Isn't that how early the train came?
Yeah. Yeah, no horn show from the train.